Hello, now we are going to learn how to use the discard gem. So it is a gem for soft deleting records in our database. Let's imagine that we have a list of clients and we or one of our users wants to delete a client or does it occasionally. And we don't want really for the records to be deleted from the database forever. So when a user will be pressing the destroy button, for him and for everybody else, the client will be deleted, but he'll not be actually deleted forever. So let's see how this gem works. And before we start, I must say that there are two more gems, acts as paranoid and paranoia, that were also good for soft deleting records, but this discard gem has some advantages, and you can read about these advantages in the documentation. So let's get started and let's install the gem. So first we're going to add it to our gem file. Where is our gem file? Okay, bundle. Next, we're going to include this discard model to our client RB in our models so that we know that we're going to use discard for our clients. Next, we're going to add a migration. So we're going to add one new field to our clients table. It's going to be a discarded at datetime field. So basically, when we delete a client, this new datetime field will be populated with the time now. So we will know when the client was deleted. So let's add this. Not to posts, but to clients. So we are adding this discarded at datetime field, and there'll also be an index for it. Okay. Now let's restart our server so that the initializer works. Okay, rake db migrate. Okay, so here is our list of clients, and let's see how to use the gem. So in our controller, we should make not post destroy, but post discard. Let's go to our client's controller. Client discard. So let's try discarding a client. We are sure, yes. So he was successfully destroyed, but he wasn't actually destroyed. Let's see him on the bottom here. Zachary Wilderman. So let's try again with Anthony Herman. Destroy. But we have him still in our list of clients. Why do we have the destroyed clients? Because we didn't delete them, and we have a scope for all the clients in our index controller. So we don't want to see the clients that we actually destroyed. Let's add this here. So post all, like client all, we see absolutely all the clients, the ones that were soft deleted and the ones that were not. Let's check only the kept ones. So let's have kept. And we see that two clients were deleted. We don't see them here. As well, we can see the clients that were discarded. So these are the two clients that we actually deleted. Remember? Now let's go to our client's view and add a field to see if a client was discarded or not. So here in client, discarded, question mark. And here we see that, vice versa. Yeah, we see that these two clients were discarded. And if we change our scope, we see that all the clients that were kept were not discarded. And we can see how the discarded at field looks. Let's have a look at it. Discarded at. Or how does the field actually look? Okay, so these are the kept clients, and let's see how it looks for the discarded clients. So we see at date time, we see the time when the client was discarded. Now, if we actually want to destroy the client completely from our database, we should use not discard, but destroy. Client, destroy. Let's try it now. Okay, it tells me that I can't destroy this client because it is still referenced to a tasks table. So let's add something like has many tasks, dependent, destroy. Let's try destroying the client once again. And we did actually destroy the client completely from our database. Now let's create separate views for the clients that were kept, that were discarded, and for all the clients. So we'll go to our clients controller, to the top, and add two more methods. So def kept and discarded. Here we're going to have the discarded clients, here the kept clients, and here we'll have all the clients. Okay, and we're going to render clients index. Okay, and now we're going to our roots. And here we're going to add something like this. So we're going to get a collection for discarded and for kept clients. Now let's create links to these views. We're going to clients index, and here we're going to create a couple of links on top. So a link to all clients, a link to kept and to discarded clients. So kept clients path, let's see if it works, and discarded clients path. Let's see how it works. So all the clients, the kept clients, and the discarded clients. Here are three different views. Now we're going to add a separate button to actually destroy the client and to discard the client. So we're going to our roots, we're going to add the one more method here, and we're going to our client's controller. And on the bottom, next to destroy, we're going to have something like discard, def discard, and so it will be client discard, and redirect to client's path. Notice client was discarded. Let's add discarded here. Okay, and let's also add this client discarded method here so that we can set the client. So discard. Okay. And now we're going to add it in our views. So we have a button to delete and we'll have a button to discard. Let's make it call span 4. And here we'll have a button to discard. And it will have the discard client path for this client. And we will ask if we are sure. So let's see if it works. We go to our clients. Let's press the discard button. Now let's see once again in the controller if we have it properly. So for discard we have discard, for destroy we have this destroy. Now let's press it. So discard Angela McCullough. Client was successfully discarded. Okay, let's see if she was discarded. Yes, this client was actually discarded.